Mapay nga aga mga kasangkain. So now, just take a look what we repair in this house. The first would be this small rock. When we stay here, first time it has no lock, and also this one pull for the screen. So this door also we painted before, it was a color green, pastel color. See, it's now color white.
Much later, 7 hours later, epilogue. Several song-filled hours later, a few minutes later, a little longer than a few minutes later.
And also this wall, we painted it because the excess of this ceiling. Because the owner put just like here. See? This is hiding. Put plywood. Fit the color because the color, the other one is color cream. I think it's color white. And we went to color the latex paint odorless. See? And also this one, whenever it's raining, it's like a waterfalls.
Later, just then, what follows is a brief construction montage. We hope you enjoyed this brief construction montage. Meanwhile, back in the lowlands, one frozen wasteland later, 1 hour later, 5 hours later, 2 days later, in the void, approximately 10.
And also the tank right here, they put a sealant for not to leak.
Meanwhile,
So this might around cost roughly $500 $10 box. And right here, I think this one cost $1 each.
80,000 impressions later. Would you please stop imitating me? It is starting to get very annoying.
Subscribe, like, and share. Thank you for watching.